guys, welcome back to Mathematics. Today we're going to check the question 6 of the progression test style questions of stage 8. This one is about factorization of algebraic expressions. So it directly says factorize the following expressions. Remember, the first case we need to check is the common factor, and that's actually the one that we need to apply in this one. They both have common factors. The first one is 16m minus 20. Both 16 and 20 are in the table of the 4, so that would be the common factor. It's the biggest one possible. And it's just the first term that has the m. The second one doesn't have it, so we cannot put the m as the common factor. It's just the 4. So we open parentheses so we can write the second factor. Now we need to find an expression that multiplied by 4 gives you the 16m. That would be 4, since 4 times 4 is 16. And we also need the m minus, and then a number that multiplied by 4 gives you the 20. That would be 5. And that will be the factoring already. This is one factor and this is the second one. Remember, it's very useful always to check your result. If you go and do the distributive, you need to make sure that doing the multiplication, you get the expression that you had at the beginning. 4 times 4m is 16m, so it's correct. And 4 times minus 5 is minus 20, so this one is correct. And you can go ahead and write the answer. Let's check the second one. This one is a little bit trickier to check what is the highest common factor, so you can write it as multiplication. Let's see, this is 3 times 13. And for this one, if we do it in a half, it would be 2 times 13. So it seems like they have in common the 13. 13. They both have y, so I could put the y. And remember, I used the smallest exponent possible. So this is 2, and this is like we had a 1 here. So we leave it at 1. That's the smallest one possible. And then we open parentheses to write the second factor. 13 times 3 is 39. And y times y is y to the square. So we need to write the y as well. Plus 13 times 2 is 26. And the y is already there, so we don't have to write it again. Remember to check. 13 times 3, 39. Y times y is y to the square. 13y times 2 is 26y. So this is correct, and you can go ahead and write your answer. And that's how you would get the 3 marks. Notice that you need to have the 2 exercises correct in order to get the 3 marks. If you have just one of them, probably you are just going to get 1 mark. So it's important to practice this kind of exercises, guys. Okay, guys, that was all for today. Hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and drop any question you have in the comment box. Bye bye, guys. See you next time.